day 4 na. 11:30 in the morning. So magbo-brunch na lang kami. And then today, our agenda, we're supposed to be at Causeway Bay today. Kaso lang, naisip namin, lalayo pa. Eh, hindi pa namin totally na iikot yung Mongkok area. So, we decided just to stay here sa Mongkok area for our last full day. We are wearing our shirts we bought from Disney kasi kulang na yung mga shirts namin. Kasi palit kami ng palit kasi ang init. Parang yung tela niya parang Uniqlo. Maganda kaya kahit medyo pricey. Sulit naman. Merong mga Fino, yung hair mask, and then mga sunscreen, spray, and kung ano-anong gel. They have perfumes too. Yeah. I'm also here inside a boutique na ano lang, pang forma, everyday forma. It's nice. Please stop over. We're just waiting for Claude's order kasi 10 minutes pa daw yung thick brown sugar milk tea. Mainit. Now we're going to the ladies market kasi last time, di ba, sarado pa nung pumunta kami dito. Ang hirap kasi ang translation. Nakatagilid. Fresh taro. Basta taro flavor siya with taro balls. So we passed by this newly opened bakery called #B. I'll take you inside. Ang bango sa loob. Grabe. So green yung motif ng store. It's so pretty. Look at the display. Wow. Ganda. A bakery green. Opening talaga nila today, like today. This one's another Lung Fong, and we're going to try see what's inside. Let's go. It's very busy. A grocery store. So dapat pala first day namin to na-discover para marami pa kami na-try. Widely selection of tea. Grabe. Ala siya. Ayan na siya. And for lunch, we're just going to buy here. Tapos hindi na lang kami sa Airbnb. Parang asal kasi ng mga choices nila. Grabe. May mga meals. And then dessert. Sandwiches. Then sushi, maki, mga desserts, cakes and rolls and donuts. Dami, hindi kaya ng tiyan. May cute ng macaron. Cute cakes. So, that's for lunch. Dito na kami sa Airbnb. Take out lang. I mean, not take out. Bumili lang kami dun sa Lung Fong. Ano yan? Crab or shrimp? Can you see? Shrimp. Okay. Tapos yung breads. Maya na lang yan. Hi. So, time check is it's 4:11 PM. After lunch, nag-ano lang kami. Nap time para maka-recharge. Tapos ngayon, lakad naman. Tsaka para hindi mainit. Kasi kanina sobrang init. masakit sa mukha kahit naka-sunscreen. So ngayon, we're going to try Silk Milk Tea, Hong Kong's #1 boba house. Original handmade Hong Kong style milk tea. So across lang yun din ng Airbnb namin. Same lang ang dinadaanan namin underground and then tatawid lang. Tapos nandun na. Lapit lang. So, ayan lang siya when you're here in Mongkok. Silk. Katabi lang siya ng Olan's. May Turks din pala dito. Silk. Ayun na, siya na nauna kasi siya nag-search niyan eh. So, let's try. Daming choices. So hard to see. Is it good?
Roasty. Na may honeycomb na plain black.
We're done sa Silk. Grabe itong mamang to. Nakadalaw. Pangalawa niya na yan. Ibang flavor. Now we're going saan? Nowhere. Lakad-lakad lang ulit. It's 4:40. Mabilis na. I just bought things from Longfeng Mall. Konting mga beauty items. And then we're off to where? The Grand Plaza? Okay, we're going there. Ayan yung building namin, Airbnb. Basically talaga nag-ikot lang kami around the area lang. Ayan, nananap ko namin yung sakayan sa airport. Here, Grand Plaza. Yeah. And for our last dinner here in Hong Kong, we're eating here at Paradise Group at Grand Plaza. Of course, dim sum for our last night. This one's radish pastry and then peanuts. And ano yung isasabi mo? Kastanyas, kinain niya na. Thank you.
This Solomon lamb for your local.
Wow.
And
thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, and
Nakain ko na yung crab roll. Nakalimutan ko mag-video. Hindi na ako pwede. Anyway, let's try another one. Later na yung cheese. Garlic. This is garlic. Garlic flavor. I still have 4, but I'm just resting and having my tea. Maya-maya naman. Hindi pa namin nagalaw yung radish pastry.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ